COVID-19 surge in Assam, total cases rise to 56. Job card holders walk 20 kilometers to withdraw wages. Several persons arrested for violation COVID-19 guidelines in Dipu. Hello viewers of Caribbean On Live, you are with Julie BP bringing you the latest news of today. Now let's move to the news in detail. As feared, Assam is seeing rapid rise in COVID-19 cases as people from different parts of the country begin coming home. Here is a report. Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma first tweeted news of 8 new positive cases and later through a press meet held at Guwahati today. Of the 8 cases, 4 are from Kachar districts and all are passengers of the same bus coming from Ajmer, Rajasthan, from which a person was tested positive the day before.
Muঠ 45 জন যাত্ৰী আছিল তাৰে 33 জনৰ ফলাফল আমি নেগেটিভ পাইছো 4 জনৰ ফলাফল পজিটিভ হৈ আছে 6 জনৰ আমি ৰিপিট টেষ্ট কৰিছো আৰু 2 জনৰ স্যাম্পল কালেকশনত অসুবিধা থকাৰ কাৰণে আমি নতুনকৈ স্যাম্পল কালেক্ট কৰিছো আৰু ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত এজন ইতিমধ্যে আমি পজিটিভ হিচাপে দেখা পাইছিলো মই যদি এই গুটেই জুৱাকালি যি 4টা কেস পজিটিভ হল সেই বিষয়ে যদি আপোনালোকক অলপ কব যাও তেতিয়া হলে যেটো 46 নম্বৰ
The other 4 cases, including a doctor at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, a young girl, an aged woman, and a man had travel history to Siliguri. Among them, the young girl was tested positive after she died. Within a couple of hours after his press briefing today, the minister tweeted to confirm 3 new cases from Kachar district and are part of the Ajmer team. With this, state's total COVID case daily shot up to 56 and 34 have been discharged. On Thursday, Dr. Sarma also confirmed that the first patient from Assam to contract the disease have been discharged from Silchar Medical College. Meanwhile, the minister has urged upon the people of the state not to panic and obey all the government's guidelines. At the same time, the minister also requested that, if possible, the people stranded outside the state remain where they are to help Assam fight the pandemic and that the state government will provide assistance to them in all possible ways. The minister also expressed his concern over several people not obeying the quarantine's rules and carrying the disease with them. Further, he urged the public to cooperate with the government and help to ensure that all persons with quarantine stamps remain indoors.
এই সংখ্যাৰ ভিতৰত আজমিৰ শৰীফৰ গাড়ীখন আমি একাৰণে অন্তৰ্ভুক্ত কৰা নাই কাৰণ তেওঁলোকে অসম চৰকাৰৰ বিনা অনুমতিত অসমত প্ৰৱেশ কৰিছিল সেই বিষয়ে যোৱাকালি আমি আলোচনা কৰিছো কিন্তু অসমত যি ব্যক্তি আহিছে আমি তেওঁলোকক কোৱাৰেণ্টাইন কৰি টেষ্ট লৈছো টেষ্টৰ ৰিজাল্ট নেগেটিভ হলেহে আমি তেওঁলোকক ঘৰত যোৱাৰ বাবে আমি প্ৰটোকল বনাইছো আমি সকলোৱে এই ৰিজনাল স্ক্ৰিনিং সেন্টাৰ বিলাকত আমি নিজে আছো যোৱাকালি আমাৰ
He told that risk of the spread of the disease increases as more people return from outside. News Desk report, Caribbean On Live. Keeping in view the surge of COVID-19 cases in Assam, the local administration has today arrested several persons and filed cases in Dipu town for violating strict guidelines issued by the government in the fight against COVID-19 virus in the country. Here is a report. Several of these men had been arrested and charged for violation of the COVID-19 preventive guidelines by not wearing masks and speeding in public places. The legal action against violator by is a stern warning that the district administration is strictly implementing the guidelines and monitoring the activities of citizens. During the day, total of 30 two-wheelers have been seized in Dipu by police for violation of the lockdown rules by the riders. Till date, No case of COVID-19 has been reported from Karbi Anglong, but the district administration and police are putting all effort to stop the entry of the pandemic in the Hills district of Karbi Anglong, which is still listed as Green Zone district. The district administration is sending a clear message that no one would be spared and would face severe legal action if found violating. Rosan Hansey for News Desk, Karbi Anglong Live. In the absence of vehicles and forced by the scarcity of food at home, several job card holders are compelled to walk more than 20 kilometers to withdraw their wages. Our correspondents bring you this report. The news of several women walking 18 kilometers to withdraw money from their account with Assam Gramin Vikas Bank, which was broadcasted recently, had positive impact as Borjuri branch staff were compelled to come down to Dolamara to deliver the service. However, this seemed to be only for temporary basis, as similar incident was witnessed as new groups of men and women from Ram Lekte village were seen walking 20 kilometers to withdraw their money from the bank. Further inquiries revealed that the AGVB bank staff had only agreed to come to Dolamara only when there are 100 customers in a day, which is not always possible in a rural area like this. People allege that the bank has completely failed to understand the pain of the people and has also disregarded the humble plea of the local representative to help the poor people of this area. It is needed to remind that Dalangpi Dihangi Rural Bank Dolamara branch was taken over and rechristened as AGVB, followed by shifting the branch out to Borjuri, citing several reasons that the public find it hard to believe. RG Sonropar for Karbi Anglong Live. The Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department of the Hill Districts today announced that so far swine flu has not been detected in the twin hill districts of Karbi Anglong. This was stated during a press conference following rumors that thousands of pigs in West Karbi Anglong had died of the African swine flu. Here is a report. The officials confirmed that African swine fever has not yet arrived in the districts and that the officials are putting all effort to prevent the outbreak of any flu in the district. The officials have denied the recent claims of the US-UK of practicing irregularities in discharging their duties. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in charge of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, Tarendra Brahma, said that anyone who wishes to know detailed information about the situation should talk to the officials of Veterinary Department before making any baseless and unscientific claims.
যেতিয়া পশ্চিম কাৰ্বি আংলঙত গাহৰি মৰা খবৰটো পাওঁ আমি পাইছোঁ 28 তাৰিখৰ পিছবেলা তাৰ পিছত লগে লগে মই মোৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ ৱেষ্ট কাৰ্বি আংলঙত থকা ভাৰপ্ৰাপ্ত বিডিঅ আৰু কিছু ডক্টৰৰ লগত আলাপ আলোচনাৰ মাধ্যমত যিহেতুকে সিদিনাখন সময় নাই পিছদিনাখন 29 তাৰিখে সেই স্পট যেটো আমাৰ মানে ক্লাছিকেল স্ৱাইন ফিভাৰৰ ভ্যাকচিন আছে হয় মৰ্টেলিটি তাত মৰ্টেলিটি টো ক্লাছিকেল সোয়াইন ফিভাৰ তো আমাৰ ৰেগুলাৰ ফিভাৰ হয় তো গাহৰি হতৰ মানে লাগিয়ে থাকে প্ৰায় মানে এটো ৰেগুলাৰ হৈ থাকে আৰু ইয়াৰ মানে ভ্যাকচিনো আছে আৰু ট্ৰিটমেন্টও মানে আৰ্লি ষ্টেজত যদি আমি ট্ৰিটমেন্ট কৰিব পাৰো এটো প্ৰবলেম নাই এটো মানে ট্ৰিটমেন্ট কৰিব পাৰে কিন্তু আমাৰ অবজাৰভেশন টু ক্লোজ অবজাৰভেশন হ'ব লাগে এটা আমাৰ মানে মই প্ৰ্যাকটিক্যালি মানে মই নিজে এক্সপেৰিয়েন্স আছিলো মই ওয়ান্স আপন এ টাইম ময়ো কিবা ডিসপেন্সাৰীত কাম কৰিছিলো সো আমি
Meanwhile, the department has sought public support and assistance of the government in prevent effort and measures for complete restriction on the supply of pigs from outside the district. DVO Dr. Dilip Mahanta and Government Pig and Poultry Farm Manager Dr. Hombari Ingtipi were also present at the press conference. Bikram Crow for News Desk, Karbi Anglong Live. Coming forward to assist the needy families, Khoya Singh Timung distributed rations to several families. Here is a report from our July correspondent. A teacher by profession, Khoya Singh Timung today went to Upper Dikrong to provide essential food items to the families facing food crisis due to the lockdown. The essential items that include rice, soup, and salt were provided to 35 families at Upper Dikrong LP English School. Prior to its distribution, Dilai Police Station OC Ranjit Hajarika also contributed 1 quintal rice to be distributed to the poor villagers. KSA Bokajan Regional Committee Secretary Nobin Rongpi, teachers of the school and SMC members along with local SGBS and GBS were also present in the program. Vijay Rongpi for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for today. Stay safe. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.